So as you're working more and more with Filmora, you may want to start using keyboard shortcuts. Let's say, for example, you want to copy this. I can simply press Ctrl C and then I can go around onto this area, press Ctrl V to paste that out. So similarly, you can press Alt C right here to actually crop out the video footage. So I'm just going to go and press Alt C and you get the cropping option right here. So now what you can do to actually know what the keyboard shortcuts are is to go to File and then you can go to Keyboard Shortcuts. Once you go over here, you can search out for keyboard shortcuts you want. Let's say, for example, you want to know what crop is, then crop and zoom is Alt C as we use just like that. You can go around into different menu items right here, or you can use the scroll bar right here to see what the shortcuts actually are. And if you're not happy with the shortcut, let's say, for example, go to project and you don't want to use that, you can go ahead and use your own shortcut as well. So now as I press Alt Delete, you can see that it says it's a conflicting shortcut. So it's already used for close gap. So I'm just going to cancel this out. So you can go ahead and use your own keyboard shortcuts as well. For example, I'm going to press Alt Control Shift and U right here, and you can see that that is what you have now as the shortcut for go to end. But I'm just going to reset that out and go just like that. So once I go and press end right here, it goes to the end of the project, press home and it goes to the home of the project just like that. And that is how you can utilize the keyboard shortcuts inside of Filmora. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.